How to unhide apps on Android device. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to unhide apps on Android device. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to check which of the application that you want to unhide. Suppose if it is Duolingo, as you can see that we don't have Duolingo appeared on our home screen. So for that, you need to open settings, scroll down and navigate privacy option. After that, select privacy next to permissions and then you have to tap on hide apps. Enter your password. Then you will access this hide apps page where you will be able to see all your application. As you can see next to all there is hidden. Tap on it and here you will see all the list of your hidden application on your Android phone. So in order to unhide it, simply toggle the button off and when you exit from this page, you will see that Duolingo has already been appeared on our home screen. That means we have successfully unhide apps on Android. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.